Hi everyone, let's see how easily and very quickly you can add separator or spacer elements on your forms and surveys. So I created a test form here in my org, in my Salesforce org. I'm in BreezyBit Form Builder application. Of course, it's a 100% native application. So on the left side, as you see, I have form elements. There are file upload elements, group bugs, HTML content, pager, spacer, signature, or others. But here I'm going to show you really quickly how you can use separator and spacer as UI elements. So here on your form, let's say you want to just add a separator after a certain field on your form. If you want to do that, you can just add, drag and drop the separator on the form. And if I go to the form and just refresh the page, as you see, my separator element is here. But if you want to add maybe some space, right before or after the spacer element, after this separator element, you can add some space here too. And if I want, if I just refresh the page, as you see, there are more space right now. And again, you can add spacers, anywhere, maybe between fields. In any case, if you want to do that, you can do it really easily, really quickly too. Or again, spacers, you can use those two as different UI elements on your forms and surveys. And it's so easy and so quick. So I wanted to share this with you really quickly in this video. And see you in the next video. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.